Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the problem with uploading highlights, or as they are called, highlights in Instagram app. Please friends, subscribe to our channel. Make sure to put your likes and also write your comments after watching this video. So, let's get to our topic. And in this video, I'm going to show you two methods on how you can fix this situation. And first of all, go into your phone settings, scroll down to the bottom, then under General, then under iPhone Memory. After that, scroll down and find Instagram. Go to Instagram. Now you'll see a function like this. It's called Upload. After you tap Unload, within half a minute to a minute, this app will unload. At the same time, all your data, everything will be saved. You don't have to worry. After you unload, you'll have a new feature, and that's reinstall the app. You click on it. Also here, click Reinstall App. This will clear all the cache of the app. It'll update. The app will update. It'll reset. And so that might help you. After updating Instagram, go to the page and solve the problem. If this method didn't work, then you will need to reset all the settings of your iPhone. To do this, also go back to the General section. Scroll to the bottom and here you'll find Transfer or Reset iPhone. Next is Reset. And here you'll need to select the second section, which is Reset Network Settings. But be warned, this will lose some of your data, like passwords, maybe some photos and media files. But this will help you to update both the Instagram app itself and your iPhone completely. Friends, these are the two ways you can fix the problem of uploading highlights to Instagram. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to put likes and also write your comments. See you soon.